Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by choosing a track that matches your video's mood and length. This matters because pacing and emotional tone must align. Once you find candidates, preview several and check BPM and duration, then download the MP3 or OGG file. Make sure to keep the original file name so you can reference it later for attribution. As you download, save a copy into a dedicated project folder to avoid confusion. This lets you import quickly into your editor without hunting for files. Next, import the music into your editor and position it beneath narration or primary audio so it supports rather than competes. Once imported, trim and add fading in or out, and use volume automation to duck during speech. This maintains clarity while keeping musical impact. Make sure peak levels sit comfortably below your voice by a few dB so nothing clips. Finally, prepare an attribution line with track title author and mention Pixabay and the license. Store it in your description draft. When uploading, paste the ready attribution into the description and select correct monetization settings. This reduces later friction. Once uploaded, monitor for Content ID claims. If one appears, respond calmly by submitting the Pixabay license details and a screenshot proving the track was free to use. Include timestamps if needed. If the claim persists, escalate with YouTube support and keep your original download and license screenshots handy. This evidence usually resolves disputes quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.